Radio 6 Music.
Indeedy, welcome to another wet and windy night in Salford. Studio SO3, the cabbage patch for the renowned musical cultural outlet known as Riley & Co. I'm Mark Riley, that is Gideon Co. And this is Morgan Noise live in session with Not Around.
That's Morgan Noise, live in session here on Six Music with Not Around. Excellent stuff. Who's up for some Iron Bloke then? Me Too.